Hi everyone, my name's Nichola and I work at PayFit as a payroll specialist. This week is National Payroll Week, so we want to bring you some short but also super informative videos on the most common topics we think about when we talk about payroll. I think it's safe to say that income tax is one of the most common topics, so this is where we're going to start today. Now, income tax is the most common deduction on our pay slip, but it's also one of the most complex to understand. But your income tax calculation is dependent mainly on two things, and these are your tax code and your earnings. So firstly, your earnings. It is a general rule that the higher your earnings, the more likely you are to hit a higher tax threshold and the more likely you are to pay a higher rate of income tax. Next is your tax code, and your tax code heavily influences your income tax deduction. The most common tax code that we see for this tax year is 1250L, which means that you receive £12,500 of tax-free pay. But this may differ and your tax code might be slightly different, and there are various reasons for this, and these include under or overpayments of tax from the previous tax year, tax due on benefits in kind, tax due from other earnings, and also tax relief from other sources such as subscriptions or charity donations. Now, one myth that I want to dispel is that when your employer changes your tax code because the HMRC issues you with a new one, whilst your employer knows what tax code to operate, the HMRC are never going to disclose why your tax code has changed to the tax code it has changed to. This brings me on to the very important topic of setting up your personal tax account. If your income tax code has changed and you're not sure why, and you're also not sure on the impact of this, the best thing to do is to log on to the HMRC website and search for personal tax account. From here, you can set up your personal tax account that will show you your new tax code. It will also show you how your tax code is being calculated, and it will also give you an estimate of the impact of this on your earnings. So once again, that is visit the HMRC website, search for personal tax account, and take 5 to 10 minutes to set this up, because it really does hold a lot of information regarding your income tax and your tax code. I do hope today's video has been super helpful. I will be back tomorrow, and tomorrow's topic will be national insurance. Bye bye.